Are you seeing a blue spinning or solid blue ring or even a cyan glow on your Amazon Alexa Echo Dot Kids 5th Gen that won't go away? Here's what these lights mean and how to stop them if they keep showing up unexpectedly. This can happen for a few different reasons. Firmware update, if you're stuck in Bluetooth pairing mode, if follow-up mode is enabled, if Alexa is actively listening to your commands or performing something, if it's searching for a network to connect, or for any temporary minor glitch. So first things first, as long as it's speaking, the blue light will turn on while reading books to your kids. If the sound is mute or very low, it's easy to think it's stuck. So increase the volume and check if it's actually working, responding, or talking. Now, if it's a firmware update you assume, just wait it out. Now, if it continues for a long time, you can do a cold boot. Unplug the device, wait around 5 minutes, then just plug it back in. Now, if it's stuck in Bluetooth pairing mode, the light will show up. In that case, you can just say, "Hey Alexa, turn off Bluetooth." The light will go away. Now, follow-up mode can also cause this issue because the mic keeps listening to the commands. So open the Alexa app, tap on the device name, then to the wheel icon or settings. Then in this section, find follow-up mode, and just go ahead and disable it if it's enabled. If it's disconnected from the internet and it's currently searching to connect to any available network, the blue spinning light will show up. In that case, if you open the Alexa app, the device will show unresponsive or offline. Just press continue from there. Select setup device. Now press and hold the action button on your Echo Kids to put it into setup mode. And then what you're going to do is just follow the prompts on your Alexa app to reconnect or change the Wi-Fi network. Now, we actually did a video on that. If you want, you can just go ahead and check that out. Now, once it's connected or reconnected to the network, just go ahead and complete the rest of the setup process again. And when it's done, the device should be back to normal. Thanks for your time.